gonna have some lemons here in the next week. Real big, juicy lemons. This is about my daughter and her happiness. That's what this is about. Yes, she has one eye. That's intentional. This I have to finish later. My wife pulled up. Well, let's look at this beautiful sky. By the way, guys, that show today with Wayne was great. Isn't it funny how the things Wayne starts talking about, I can't get to his shows throughout the week as much as I want to. But every time I click on, he is speaking about the things that have been rolling through my mind. That's how connected things are right now. And that certainly goes both ways. I'm truly excited about the Crystal Network, guys. It's going to go so well. I mean, it just is. Everything that has to happen with it, as far as rapids go, are happening right on schedule, just like they're supposed to. We're going to create something so beautiful. We're going to just, this grid we're going to create is just going to, man, it's going to ignite people. It's going to ignite them. I haven't received my crystal yet from Karen, but I'm already attached to it so fluidly. It's in my dreams, put it to you that way. And another thing I wanted to talk about, I came out yesterday morning and there were no birds singing. And I sat down, I calmed my mind, and I just said, let's have a conversation. And they all just chirped up. And one specific bird was complaining about how he is in love with this other bird, but she's got her eye on somebody else. And then he started grumbling, and I'm like, dude, all you gotta do is just not get that mad. That's your girl, just go and fly to her. And he just kept whistling and whistling. He was telling a story. Yes, I'm talking with the birds, and that is awesome. I wonder if that's him up here. They're around here somewhere. I mean, the bird sounded like an in-love teenager that just couldn't get the girl. It was beautiful. Anyway, hope everybody's having an amazing day today. If you're feeling tired, I hope that passes quickly for you. I hope your body handles what's going on with the energy and you're able to get up quicker. I speak that favor into your life. Guys, I love you.